Okay, so now that I've showed you the end product of a bio and what it should look like with the whole optimization and call to actions, I'm going to show you now how to actually edit your bio. So once you go into your account, you'll see there's an edit button right there. Okay, so you go into it, as you can see, you can actually edit your profile picture or create an avatar. I haven't done an avatar yet. So if you click on the name, you can actually change your name, but it gives you a little disclaimer there. You can only change your name twice within 14 days. So just bear that in mind. So that's your call to action as someone comes into your account. Your username, same thing, click on it. You can only change this every 14 days. Okay, so that's also important to remember. So then we go into pronouns. I don't have any pronouns. If you go into the actual bio, all the little call to actions which I showed you, the 3 little dots, the surfing emojis, obviously these can be changed to anything. So let's change it to a little purple surfer. Let's change it to maybe you want a little guitar there. I'm not sure, maybe you're a musician or whatever the case is, book your lesson. There's so much you can play around with and actually get creative. I'm not going to push done because I don't want to save those changes. So discard changes. It goes back to the original thing. The link is important in my business. Okay, let's just cancel that. Okay, links are important in my Surf School. So if I click on the link, I've created a Linktree account where I've got multiple call to actions within that Linktree. You can also add your Facebook link. Instagram promotes that because they are one brand. Okay, so if you click further down, this is quite important. My page is called The Lifestyle Buzz. I'm not going to do anything there. I'm going to go not now. The category is quite important, so when someone comes into your account, checks it out, if you're an artist, musician, a blogger, whatever you feel that your account is associated with. Mine is a product and service, so that's the one I've chosen. As you can see, when you go into it, you'll see right at the top that'll say product and service. So I'm going to push cancel because I don't want any changes done there. So as you can see, it's so easy to do edits to your bio. You can change them once a week, once a month, every day, but just have it clear and precise on if you want customers to convert through your Instagram account. Make sure it's clear call to actions throughout.